Guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a video of me unboxing my boxing charm, and I'm going to be getting ready with all the products that I got. Obviously it didn't include a foundation or anything like that, so we're going to use the products that came in here to create a look. But yeah, this is kind of the look I came up with. If you guys don't know about Boxycharm, it's a subscription box that you pay $21 a month and you get five full products, 5 full-size products. And yeah, I really like Boxycharm. It's one of like my favorite subscriptions. I mean, I don't have any other ones, but I tried Ipsy, and then there was another one, I forgot what it was called, and then there was another one called I had the Morphe one where you would get brushes, but like this is my favorite. I feel like you get everything in one box. But if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the Elmis face mask. I'm just gonna start off with this one because obviously, you know, I want to do my makeup with the products that we got. This is a superfood vital veggie mask, nourishing prebiotic green mask, advanced skincare. It's formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids, helps support the skin with a moisturizer barrier, vitamin C, passion fruits acids to help brighten and refresh the complexion. So sounds interesting. And it comes with this little card that you get $10 at the Ulta skincare bar. I didn't even know they had this brand there, and this retails for $35. So all right, so it just says to apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. There might be a slight tingling while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp cloth. If contact with eye occurs, rinse thoroughly. May stain fabrics. I'm wearing white. Fuck me. Ya vale madres, no? Alright. I honestly need to invest in the mirror to put here. I had one, but I don't know what happened. So we're gonna put this right here. This is like my problem area. It smells very fruity. Like greens. Like plants. I'm guessing it's the broccoli. I'm wearing jeans and I hate wearing jeans. Anybody else? Jeans are just so uncomfortable to me because I'm getting thick. So jeans are very uncomfortable. Alright. I feel like I already applied a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for like 10 minutes. It's already like tingling, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and fill my eyebrows because I don't want to waste time. I got things to do in a bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slightly fill my brows. Okay, so I just took the mask off, and not gonna lie, my skin feels the same. Just kidding. I mean, I feel like I need to try it out a few more times to see what's up, but it feels clean. It feels very clean. That's all I have to say. It did sting a little bit, so if your skin's very sensitive, I don't know how this is gonna perform on your skin. All right, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into primer. We don't have foundation or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my skin, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the next product that came in the box is this brush set by Luxie. And I'm not sure how to pronounce this word. Gaia. You know what I mean? And I've used Luxie brushes before. I really like them. So I was really excited to see them. But these ones are made of bamboo. And I guess it's to like save the planet, you know? It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to Earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. And then it has the foundation brush, it has the large eye blending brush, and it has precision crease, which I think this is going to be so perfect to cut the crease. But yeah, they're made out of bamboo, and it has like little pandas back here, super cute. I love pandas. Panda. Okay, So those are the brushes that came in. I didn't use this for my foundation. I'm not like a big on this kind of foundation. Maybe like concealer and like kind of blend it out. But I'm gonna try this one out for you guys. And then I'm gonna jump into the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is by Butter London. Oh wait, the brushes retail for $30, bitch. $30. We're already at $65 worth of product and we only paid $21. Alright, so the palette is Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And I don't know, I feel like there's another eyeshadow palette like very similar to this one. I think it was Urban Decay if I'm mistaken. Not sure, but it looks exactly the same. It has that teal, those beautiful colors right here, and then boom. I kind of wanted to use teal, but I don't know. We'll see. And this palette retails for $32. And we only paid $21, remember? Alright, so it doesn't have a transition color. That's like the first thing I noticed. There's no transition color in here because these are all shimmers and these two are matte. So I can't really use those, you know. So I'm probably gonna jump into my ColourPop Makeup by Shayla. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna jump into ColourPop and I'm gonna use Culture by Makeup by Shayla. My mirror's all broken, don't judge me. And we're going to this fluffy brush and just kind of gonna go ahead and blend everything out right here into the crease. I have lash extensions on, so I feel like applying eyeshadow is a little bit harder. I could be wrong, but we'll see right now. It blends very nice. Like the brush is very soft, and it's blending out the eyeshadow really nicely. I didn't put any primer on my lids because of my lash extensions, you know. I'm like new to the eyelash world. I do eyelash extensions, but I never really worn like by myself like lash extensions. I like them. I mean, I could see how people become addicted to them, but yeah, like, you know, I just haven't really played with them. So I'm gonna jump into Thick. It's a bright orange, same brush, and just kind of blend that into there. You guys know the drill, just to give it a little more dimension. I think I'm gonna use Star, the shadow Star right here, and I'm gonna put it like in the middle part right here. This color is so pretty. It's like a green tealish color. This brush is like perfect to like cut the crease. Okay, I'm gonna jump into Enchantress, which is the first shade right over here. It's a very shimmery shade too, but more like light. I'm gonna use my finger. I feel weird because I didn't use like any eyeshadow primer or like concealer, but I'm gonna apply this right here. I really like how the colors blended, how they look. And then I'm gonna jump into Temptress, which is the dark brown right here. Very little, and then just gonna put it in the outer part. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and brush my lashes because, you know, with the whole eyeshadow pulling. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. I really like how it looks. It came out like, can you guys see, like a shimmer and then like the pop of green in the middle. Really liked it. The shadows are okay. I've never really played with Butter London, but I'm not like really obsessed. Like, I feel like it wasn't as buttery as I would like the shimmers to be. So yeah, but again, I have eyelash extensions, so I feel like I wasn't able to like really go in there and play with my eye shape. So for the next product, it's this eyeliner by Appeal Gel Eyeliner Forest Green, and this one retails for $21. I don't know if I should open it because should I do my bottom lash line? No, I'm not gonna open it because I don't really wear gel liners, so I'll probably give this away to like my cousins or somebody. I usually make like goodie bags and give them out here and there to my families and friends. I just dropped stuff. Let's just pretend it didn't happen. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the lips, and then for the lips I'm using Alamar. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Des Nude as Lip Gloss. So it's a gloss. It says it's a long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Wear alone or all over our lip liners. Gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and always cruelty-free. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. I love the packaging. I love her blushes. Her blushes came out like in 2 boxes ago. But I really liked it. They came out really good. I want to try her eyeshadow palettes. I missed those boxes. I wasn't subscribed yet. Okay, so the gloss is insane. Like, they look so glossy. I think this will look super cute with a lip liner, but I just wanted to try it out by itself today. Still looks good. I really liked how the look came out. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I really like how it came out. It's very, like, I feel like it's very summery, like vacation vibes. You know, that's what I'm like getting out of this look. But yeah, I really liked it. Like I said, I'm gonna play more with the eyeshadows because I feel like they weren't as buttery. But everything else I really like. I love the gloss. It's so glossy, like my lip gloss is cool. But yeah, this is a look that I came up with. I really liked all the products. My favorite has to be the lip gloss. Yep, the lip gloss and the brushes. My top 2. I highly recommend Boxycharm if you guys haven't checked it out. Honestly, it's a deal. You pay $21 and you get 5 full products. Sometimes you get 4, but for the most part you get 5. We got a face mask, we got an eyeshadow palette, we got brushes, we got lip gloss, and we got a gel liner. Basically, you got everything to complete a look. Alright, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see me, if you guys want me to keep doing Boxycharms, then let me know in the comments down below, because if you guys don't comment, I don't know if you guys like, you know, like this stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.